How to earn money from online crypto market. 6 strategies of making money with crypto. How to make money with cryptocurrency. So, you are interested in getting into crypto and want to turn Bitcoin into cash? You have heard all of the success stories, people making millions of dollars by getting in early and selling when the prices are high. Or perhaps you have friends who make a steady income by mining cryptocurrencies. Everyone gets into the cryptocurrency field to make money, but not all end up doing that. A lot of people either simply give up along the way or lose money because they do not properly understand how to make money with cryptocurrency. The cryptocurrency industry is still in its early stages of development as the crypto as the crypto assets increase in prices, more people come into the industry. There These newcomers are also trying to figure out how to make money with cryptocurrency. The good news is there are many ways of making money with cryptocurrency. Since 2011, there has been consistent growth in developer activity, social media activity, and the number of startups created in the cryptocurrency industry. Here we take a closer look at how to make money with cryptocurrency. Table of content. Can you make money with cryptocurrency? 6 strategies of making money with cryptocurrency. Conclusion. Yes, you can make money with cryptocurrency given the inherent volatility of crypto assets. Most involve a high degree of risk, while others require domain knowledge or expertise. Trading cryptocurrency is one of the answers to how to make money with cryptocurrency. Although the daily average volume of cryptocurrency trade is just 1% of the foreign exchange market, there is a lot of volatility in the crypto market, so there is a potential to do short-term trades. Even though the crypto market is relatively small at the moment, there is great growth potential, so you can also make money with cryptocurrencies by investing for the long term. Essentially, there are quite a few methods for you to make legitimate money with cryptocurrencies. Let's take a look at 6 strategies. 6 strategies for making money with crypto. If you are wondering how to make money with cryptocurrencies, look no further. Strategies for making money with crypto rely on 3 mechanisms. First, you can invest or trade in the crypto exchange market. You can do this without owning any crypto yourself, like investing in gold on the stock market. Secondly, you can use the coin you already own to stake and lend coins to the system or other users. Third, you can participate in the blockchain system by mining or receiving coin rewards for work done in the system. Based on these 3 mechanisms, here are 6 strategies for making money with cryptocurrencies. Investing. Investing is a long-term strategy of buying and holding crypto assets for some time. Crypto assets are generally well suited